Have you ever dreamt of having a lush green garden, but were put off by the potential costs? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unearth the secrets of planning a cost-efficient garden. A garden that not only saves you money, but also promotes sustainability and self-sufficiency. Imagine a garden that doesn't drain your wallet, but fills it instead. A garden that is as good for the earth as it is for your pocket. So if you're ready to make that dream a reality, stay tuned to learn how to plan your dream garden without breaking the bank. Our first tip is all about seeds. When planning a cost-efficient garden, it's crucial to be seed-savvy. Participating in seed swaps, for instance, can be a fantastic way to acquire a variety of seeds without breaking the bank. Additionally, being aware of which seeds last can help you plan your garden strategically and reduce waste. Finally, saving seeds from open-pollinated varieties not only lowers costs but also allows you to cultivate plants that are well-suited to your specific garden conditions. Remember, being seed-savvy is a great way to start your cost-efficient garden journey. Moving on to our next tips, which focus on using what Mother Nature provides for free. Let's delve into the world of compost and leaf mold. Now, compost is an excellent organic material that not only enriches your soil, but also helps in recycling kitchen and yard waste. It's the perfect way to nourish your plants without spending a dime. On the other hand, leaf mold, which is made from decayed leaves, can be an amazing soil conditioner, improving its structure and water retention. It's another free and fantastic resource for your garden. Next, let's talk about plant supports. Bamboo canes are a popular choice due to their strength and durability. And the best part? You can often find them in your local environment. And don't overlook the power of recycling. Old bicycle wheels, wooden pallets, or even broken garden tools can be repurposed into creative and cost-effective plant supports. By using these free resources, you're not only saving money but also helping the environment. Now let's talk about containers and paths. You see, one person's trash can be another's treasure. And in the world of gardening, this saying rings very true. Using recycled containers as growing containers is an excellent way to cut costs and do a bit of good for the environment. These can be anything from old buckets, coffee cans, or even plastic bottles. The key is to ensure they have proper drainage so the roots of your plants don't drown. Now, onto paths. Garden paths serve a dual purpose. They not only give your garden a neat and organized look, but they also prevent soil compaction by providing designated walking areas. A cost-effective way to create these paths is by using cardboard and bark chippings. Cardboard is a fantastic weed suppressant, and it decomposes over time, enriching the soil. Bark chippings, on the other hand, add an aesthetic touch to your garden paths while providing additional weed control. These simple yet effective methods will help you save a lot while adding a unique touch to your garden. Our final tips are about being strategic with what you grow and how you protect your garden. It's all about maximizing output while minimizing costs. Let's discuss high-value crops. Herbs and soft fruits are excellent examples. These plants are not only easy to grow, but they can also save you a significant amount on your grocery bill. Imagine walking out to your garden to pick fresh basil for your pasta sauce, or plucking ripe strawberries for your morning cereal. You'll be eating healthier, fresher, and cheaper. Now let's talk pest control. Pests can quickly decimate your garden, but chemical pesticides can be costly and harmful to the environment. Instead, consider using natural methods. For instance, ladybugs are great at controlling aphids, and birds can help keep slug populations in check. You can also plant marigolds, as their scent deters many common garden pests. By being smart with your choices, you can maximize your garden's output while minimizing costs. So there you have it. We've traveled through the verdant world of cost-efficient gardening, learning how to make the most out of our green spaces without breaking the bank. We've talked about being seed-savvy, knowing which seeds last longer, and participating in seed swaps to diversify our gardens. We've explored the world of free fertilizers like compost and leaf mold, and we've understood the value of repurposing materials like bamboo canes for plant supports. We've seen how recycled containers can become growing pots, and how paths can be created cheaply with cardboard and bark chippings. We've also delved into the world of high-value crops like herbs and soft fruits, and we've learned about natural pest control methods that keep our gardens healthy and thriving. Each of these tips not only helps our pockets, but also contributes to a sustainable and eco-friendly gardening practice. Now it's your turn to ask yourself, What type of garden fits your lifestyle? Remember, a beautiful garden doesn't have to be expensive. It just needs love, care, and a bit of planning. Happy gardening!